morning, dear students. Today we will continue the topic climate and seasons of lesson 11. So, student, do you know India is a vast country? India is a big country and it has mountains, valleys, plateaus, and plains. Student, you know all these factors decide the climate of a place. So, in India also, these climate tell us about the climate of a place. So, student, first of all, I want to make you clear that what is climate. So, the regular pattern of weather conditions of a long period of time is known as climate. Student, if the weather conditions remain for a long period of time at a place, then we can say it is a climate. So, here I want to show you the different pics of different types of climate at different places. First of all, you can see here it is the peak of hot climate in Thar Desert. Student, you can see the sun is shining brightly here and sand become hot due to heat of the sun. So, during the daytime the temperature rises up and during the night time the sand cools down quickly and the temperature now decreases, the temperature become lower, and at the night, so nights are cooler in the desert and days are quite hotter. So the climate of the desert is quite hot. But when we talk about the climate of Chennai or the coastal areas, then we can say the climate of Chennai is quite humid. Why it is humid? Because these place has so many sea, and the wind that comes from the sea, it brings vapors with it. So the climate remain humid throughout the year. And when we talk about the climate of hill station, the climate of hill station is cold. And because students, you know, when we go up, the temperature it get lowers, temperature get decreases, and when temperature get decreases, then what happens? The climate will be cool, the climate will be cold. So at hill stations we have cold climate like Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, Manali. All these places have cold climate. So students, now we discuss about the weather. What is this weather? So here I want to define weather, the state of atmosphere with respect to sun, rain, wind, humidity at a particular place and time. So student, weather is the state of atmosphere, means the state of atmosphere it get changes day to day. Means if today is sunny day, maybe next day rainy day, or maybe next day windy day, or maybe next day it may have the next day may have storm, or maybe humid day. So at a particular place at a particular time, the atmospheric conditions they get changes with respect to sun, rain, wind, and humidity. So we can say this state is called weather. So here I want to tell you that if today you have this hot sunny day, maybe next day you may have cloudy day at your place. So it means what is the difference between climate and weather? So we can say climate are the weather conditions which remain for a long period of time at a particular place. But if we talk about the weather means the atmospheric state with respect to sun, wind, humidity at a particular place for a particular time. So we can say the second difference, we can say the in the climate we can say the conditions they remain, weather conditions they remain for a long period of time. But in weather, if we talk about the atmospheric condition, they changes day to day, means they on daily basis with respect to sun, wind, and humidity they may get change. So this is the difference that I have told you. So our next topic is student seasons. Student, we are very lucky that we have so many seasons. We can see different seasons in India. There are some countries which may have only one or two seasons. Some countries they have winter season throughout the year. They have cold climate, but some places they have hot climate. They remain hot throughout the year, and some places they may get rainfall throughout the year, but we can see all these seasons throughout the year. So the main seasons which occur in our country are winter season, summer season and monsoon season. Beside these we have two more seasons. We can see two more seasons, spring season and autumn season, but they remain for the short period of time. So first of all we will discuss about winter season. Student, do you know this winter season, it starts from middle of November and it continues till February. So it starts from middle of November, mid of November, and it will end to February. And you know January is the coldest month, and in the winter season the days are shorter and the nights are longer. How? You can see in the winter season the sunset occurs early as compared to summer season. The sunset occurs normally at up to 6 o'clock in the evening, and the sun rises late in the morning time as compared to summer season. The proper sunrise takes place approximate up to 7 o'clock in the morning. So it means the day's length becomes shorter and the nights remain for the longer period of time. And student, do you know this is the pic of hill station that you are seeing. You can see the snow is at every place, on the roof of house, on the ground, even on the trees. The trees are totally covered with the snow. So snowfall is occurring on the hill station, and you can enjoy to see the snowfall during your visit to a hill station during the winter season. So student, here I want to show you the peak of Leh, which is present in Ladakh region. And here you can see at minus 22 degree temperature, you can see the water that is falling from the mountain, it get freezes. You can see the falling water that get freezes, and at every place you can see the snow. So student, do you know it is the highest city in India. Leh is the highest city in India, and its temperature always remain in minus, and it is the coolest place in India. And water scarcity is there. There is a lack of water is there because the sun doesn't shine brightly here, because you know the temperature remain in minus. It is the highest place, due to which no evaporation takes place. When there is no evaporation, no clouds will be formed and there will be no rain. And when no rain is there, then there will be scarcity of water. There will be lack of water, deficiency of water is here. So now we come to the next season, that is the summer season. Student, do you know the summer season, it begins from middle of March and it lasts till June. So from mid of March and continues till June. So in the northern plains, we people are living in northern plains. So in the northern plains, you all have observed the hot dry winds during these months, to which we call Lu. So Lu blows. Lu means the hot dry winds. These blows during this summer season, and also the dust storms are very common during the summer season. So student, during these days, during the summer season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. In the morning, the sunrises takes place at 5 o'clock, and the sunset, it takes place up to 7 o'clock in the evening. So days are longer and nights are shorter during the summer season. And student, you can see when the people feel the quite hot in the northern plains, they visit to the hill stations in the hilly areas because the climate is pleasant there. So that's why the people plans a trip to the hill station during the summer season. They go to Manali, Shimla, Kufri, Rohtang, Nainital, Darjeeling. So these are some hilly areas to which people like to make a trip. So student, also the mangoes are the main attraction of the summer season. The mangoes, some juicy fruits comes you enjoy during the summer season, like mangoes, watermelon, melons, lychee. So these are some juicy fruits that you enjoy during the summer season. Now we come to the next season, that is the monsoon season. Student, do you know the monsoon season is also called rainy season because the rain occurs during this season. So in the monsoon season, you can say it start from June. It start from June and it continues up to September. It ends up to September. So these 4 months are of monsoon: June, July, August and September. And during this season, student, do you know the monsoon winds? Here in this picture you are seeing the monsoon winds. They carry the moisture that blows from the land, from the Arabian. These monsoon winds, they come from the Arabian Sea. Here you are seeing the arrows which are showing the direction of monsoon wind. These winds are coming from Arabian Sea and also from Bay of Bengal, and they bring moisture with them, and they causes rain in the in the northern plains and in the different parts of India. So these arrow shows the movement of the monsoon winds which carry moisture and these moisture form the clouds and causes rain in different parts of India. So students, here I want to tell you that the highest rainfall in India occurs in Mawsynram. Mawsynram is a village which is present in Meghalaya, and Meghalaya is a state like Haryana. We people live in Haryana state. Also Mawsynram is Meghalaya is a state which is present in the eastern part of India, and Meghalaya, Mawsynram is a village where highest rainfall occurs. Student, Meghalaya का means है मेघ plus आल्या. मेघ means बादल, आल्या means घर, यानी बादलों का घर. तो मेघालय का नेम, Meghalaya's name is बादलों का घर. So means बादलों का घर means the rain, the highest rainfall occur in it daily. Mainly the rainfall occurs daily. So the highest rainfall occur in Mawsynram. So student, if we talk about the places which receive less rainfall, the less rainfall occurs in Rajasthan and Gujarat. In some places at Rajasthan and Gujarat, they receive less rainfall, due to which at some places even cracks appear in the land because all the moisture that is get evaporated due to the sun, and due to which the drought condition also appear in some of the areas, right? So student, with this I end up my video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any query, you can ask me. So student, if you like the video, you can press the like button and you can share the comments with me. Have a good day, students.